Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 2, Integers, Rational Numbers and Real Numbers, Exercise 2C, Question number 3, Basic Level. Question number 3. Find the square root of each of the following numbers. In order to calculate square root of a number, first we factorize the number and then divide its factors in two equal parts as shown in example below. Factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3, and 3. Divide these factors in two equal parts, such that each part has same factors, and take product of each part as shown. We can see that product of each part is same, and that is the square root of 36, so the square root of 36 is 6. How to write a square root? Each number has two square roots, one positive and the other is negative. Because if a number is multiplied by itself, then it becomes square, and if signs of both numbers is same, then their square is also same as shown in example. Square of 5 and minus 5. Positive square of 5 equals to 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25, and positive root of 25 is 5. Negative square of 5 equals to minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 equals to 25, and negative root of 25 is minus 5. So we have no idea that whether 25 is obtained from square of 5 or minus 5, therefore we write combined square root as plus minus root of 25, that is equals to plus minus 5. Part A. First calculate factors of 81 by prime factorization method. So, we have factors of 81 that are 3, 3, 3, and 3. By dividing them in two equal parts as shown and then taking product of each part, we have each part equals to 9, therefore the square root of 81 is plus minus 9. Part B. First calculate factors of 16 by prime factorization method. So, we have factors of 16 that are 2, 2, 2, and 2. By dividing them in two equal parts as shown and then taking product of each part, we have each part equals to 4, therefore the square root of 16 is plus minus 4. Part C. First calculate factors of 25 by prime factorization method. So, we have factors of 25 that are 5, and 5. By dividing them in two equal parts as shown, we have each part equals to 5, therefore the square root of 25 is plus minus 5. Part D. First calculate factors of 100 by prime factorization method. So, we have factors of 100 that are 2, 2, 5, and 5. By dividing them in two equal parts as shown and then taking product of each part, we have each part equals to 10, therefore the square root of 100 is plus minus 10. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.